New at 6, last year considerable attention was devoted to the Zika outbreak, and now Cameron County officials are hoping that attention sticks around and funding will continue. CBS 4's Tiffany Huertas joins us now. And Tiffany, how do health officials plan to do that?
Eddie, now Cameron County health officials say they're going to host a Zika boot camp where they can share everything they've learned since their first report of Zika in the county. Cameron County resident Angelica Coy remembers when doctors explained Zika to her.
The doctor said to be careful when going out at night.
Although her newborn is healthy,
be aware of my child's symptoms, fever, muscle pain.
She still looks out for signs.
It's really important to be educated because there are children who are being born sick.
Last November, the Texas Department of State Health Services reported the state's first case of locally transmitted Zika infection in Brownsville. Additional cases of mosquito-borne Zika were also identified in the area, according to the CDC.
Went door to door for a 4-block radius. Asked hundreds of people questions, took over 250 samples from patients, trying to figure out how prevalent was it.
Cameron County Health Authority Dr. James Castillo says they also trapped hundreds of mosquitoes and didn't find much.
I think it's going to really be about mosquito control and the best we can do to keep down the mosquitoes, and about telling people as much as they can about how to protect themselves from these mosquito bites.
In March, the county is expected to receive $700,000 to fund Zika preparedness, surveillance, and mosquito control. Donald FRISBY lives in the area and believes this funding is crucial.
Something like that, you've got to go ahead and stamp it out, spend the money, technology.
FRISBY says the county needs to do everything possible to avoid future health problems.
And the poor kids that are born, with these deformities and stuff like that, we got to give them every chance that we can that they'll be healthy and live a good life.
I think Zika is still going to be an issue going forward. It's going to be with us for years. It's going to be seasonal. We're going to have, when the weather gets good, we're probably going to have more Zika. And so I think on an ongoing basis, if this becomes more frequent, we're definitely going to need outside help.
At tomorrow's commission meeting, they will be discussing facility rental fees for the Zika boot camp. Plus, the county will discuss attendee and vendor registration fees. In the studio, Tiffany Huertas, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.